Rheem is the leading manufacturer of heating and cooling products. We have locations in the United States, Mexico, South America, Asia. Our typical customers range anywhere from the homeowner to business owners, governments. Rheem believes that quality is going to be what sells our products. So we make a point to ensure that all of our products have outstanding quality, and we want to make sure that that's our reputation.
With a focus on innovation, we're trying to bring products to the market that do things that you wouldn't expect your water heater would do. Things that predict potential leaks, providing innovative communication through apps so that end consumers, whether they be a business or just a homeowner, who want to provide smart water heaters in a way that exceeds customers' expectations. The best way to ensure that our components are of the quality standards we expect is to ensure that, starting with the component level, the suppliers and their suppliers, that we have a high level of communication and transparency through their production processes and through their procurement processes to make sure that only the very best qualities make it into our product. One of the greatest advantages of Reliance is that we can communicate directly with our suppliers through the portal, that we can set expectations for how new products are reviewed and processed so that we have a standard for all of our suppliers. They can see up front what they're going to expect when it comes to submitting new parts, but we can also use the Reliance system to communicate our minimum standards, sort of a supplier qualification. Well, through the use of Reliance, we've been able to establish a single source of truth for quality improvement. We can put in place a list of improvement measures, the cost improvements that go along with those, but we also, through the use of the modules, can communicate across functions about the status on each one of our requirements.
We use Reliance for all of our quality stuff. Corrective actions, PPAPs, non-conforming material, deviations, internal audits, training, I mean, you name it. It's becoming more of a corporate tool rather than just a quality tool.
I've worked with ETQ for a number of years. We've customized modules to fit our culture and to fit our processes without any flaws. Quality is so integral at Rheem because our product performance is who we are. The reliability of our water heaters is really what the consumer is paying for. We've seen ETQ as a partner for the long run. We expect that as future changes in the market happen, that our relationship will be able to react and that our quality system will maintain its high level of efficiency.